The far-lateral approach. The far-lateral approach is particularly useful to provide access to lesions in the lateral medulla and cervicomedullary junction. Here we outline the boundaries of the far-lateral craniotomy. The surgeon performs a suboccipital craniotomy and partial removal of the occipital condyle. The most important bone is the corner where the foramen magnum abuts the condyle. Through use of this approach, the surgeon obtains a posterolateral view of the cervicomedullary junction and the medulla, all the way up to the pontomedullary junction. An expanded view shows the perspective gained on the anatomy in more detail. This exposure provides a rather robust view of the lower cranial nerves. Several safe entry zones can be accessed using the far-lateral approach. These include the lateral medullary zone, the posterolateral sulcus safe entry zone, and the posterior intermediate sulcus safe entry zone. Although the olive may be accessed from a far-lateral approach, the anterolateral sulcus safe entry zone in the medulla is seldom accessible given the tangential orientation of the surgeon to the safe entry zone. Under most circumstances, use of this safe entry zone therefore should be avoided. And in cases where the surgeons obtain a good midline suboccipital craniotomy, the median sulcus safe entry zone, which is accessed with expansion of the midline craniotomy. Tailoring the far-lateral craniotomy to take advantage of the lower brainstem safe entry zones that we know of will make many lesions, even in this formidable part of the brainstem, accessible.